Hey, hey guys, it's Jack's fam here. Yes, I'm in a recording in the dark here, but I'm sick, so I just wanna let today's Monday actually, so this is a quick update on what I'm gonna do for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I may tomorrow I'll do a short vlog, maybe on my schedule. What my schedule's gonna be like because of my condition right now, and yeah, so my schedule for the rest of the week into the weekend, or I could do a live stream and just put plan it out on my board here. So again, so be sure I'll make the video. The video will be at least um, either uploaded or will start by, let's say, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So this is Jack's fam vlog, and I hope you have a great evening. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.